Hello everyone, I'm here to show you another attack from a war in which we scored 90 out of 90 stars. We 100% destroyed each and every base, the Town Hall 10, Town Hall 9. I'll be posting links for review over there, and the links for a 3-starring those bases would be there in the video itself. So first I'll show you a fail attack on a Town Hall 9 using hogs. Base overview first. Those expos are level 2 and grounded. And do I notice there's only one expo over there? Maybe yes. Okay, anyhow, those defenses are well upgraded, either maxed or one less than maxed. Those heroes are 8 and 9, these are even pretty good. So let's see how I feel. So starting with luring out the clan castle. This is my favorite way to kill those clan castle troops. Then taking it into one corner, collecting them in one particular point, and shielding them with, circling them with archers, shielding them with barbs, killing them with wizards, then dropping one barb as the barb dies. And look, all the CC troops are dead and the wizards are also alive. Then I drop these giants for the queen and then the heroes at the back, and followed by the wall breakers. So what this did was, this opened the way for the giants and my heroes to go inside, and it was noticed by the queen, and thus the queen won't be attacking my hogs. And this also helped in healing my, like I saw the giant bomb over there, this also helped in healing my heroes, but the heroes went a little off track and the queen was across the wall. The king wasn't able to attack the queen. And my hogs didn't clustered in one place, and thus I failed. All the hogs are down, just the queen is there. It was a 2-star at least, but still it was a fail attack. The reason of my fail was just the deployment of the hogs. I'm gonna show you a same trick on how to 3-star the base. No, not this one. On rank 4, yeah, this is the rank 4. Having a look at the base, yes, this is the same base, just one level 2 expo, grounded, clan castle, and those some of the archer towers are also maxed out for a Town Hall 9. So he starts with the same style, he's using same troops, exactly same troops. The queen is also level 3 undergraded heroes, I mean. Just the deployment of his hogs in the start was different, and thus he helped in scoring. Okay, you will see that he starts with dropping hogs, spreading those hogs in a one line, and then dropping heal spells over the place where giant bomb is there, and his heal spell, the king and the queen and the giants would be able to benefit from his heal spell. You will see that the giants are dead, I guess. And you will see that the attack is going so smooth. So there, all the heal spells are down and the hogs are even taking the most of that heal spell. So a lot of hogs are alive, and the heroes are also in the same compartment. The hogs are just directly gonna kill those heroes. The queen is gonna help in clearing out the leftover buildings. He had some spare archers left in the end, and those helped in the leftover buildings. One archer each in one building is really enough to clear out those base to 100%, and I'm just gonna speed it up to see that it was a 3-star. So many hogs are alive, nothing can stop it from a 3-star raid. So I am having a lot more attack replays using level 1 hogs, level 1 lava hound, and 3-star in Town Hall 9, Town Hall 10, maxed out Town Hall 9, Town Hall 8s. So I'll be posting them in the links below. Subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share. Take care. Clash hard.